Hello everyone. Hi guys. This is Gitanjali and I'm starting my own YouTube channel which is called Mom's College Cuisine. Now my first recipe is Coca Cola Chicken. I will show you the ingredients and during the course of our preparation I will tell you why I have called this Mom's College Cuisine. So to start with my Coca Cola Chicken, I have chicken wings which is 250 grams. Little bit of honey because my son likes everything sweet, chili flakes, salt, pepper, soya sauce, sesame seeds for decoration, little bit of garnishing with green onions, ginger and bell pepper. And for another twist, I want to make this in a vegetarian dish also, so I have a little bit of paneer. I will do Coca Cola paneer itself. The first thing is you take your green onions. We will keep the greens for later. Cut out your onions. One cube of ginger. The other one goes for the paneer. Slice it. Hold it together, making thin strips. And now for the capsicum, cut out the top, remove the center. Not too thin, and cut all this right in the middle so they're not too long. That's with the vegetable preparation. Now we'll take our Coca-Cola, put in the soya sauce, quite a lot of soya sauce, then our ginger and our green onions. And mix it well. And make sure each piece is coated well with the soya sauce and leave it aside for 5 minutes. Now to start the cooking, first take a pan, put it on fire, light your fire. Oil, not too much of oil, just a little bit. Wait for the oil to heat up. Till my oil gets hot, I like to tell everyone why this channel is called Mom's College Cuisine. Actually, my son has gone to Canada and there now he has to cook all by himself and he thinks it's a big deal. He's very fond of cooking, I'm very fond of cooking. So these recipes that I will be showing you are simple. They do not require too much of utensil cleaning, too much of preparation. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes to cook and healthy, and he can make it himself and enjoy it with his friends. Now the oil is hot. I will put in the wings. Let it cook for at least 2 minutes on each side. hurry, otherwise your wings will leave the bowl. Flip it around and crispy, caramelize. Marinate all this together. Now the star of this dish, Coca Cola. For 250 grams of wings, I am taking 1/4 cup of Coca Cola. And there goes in the Coca Cola. All you have to do now is put in the lid and let it cook. Simmer the heat at this time, and we will be cooking for about 3 minutes more. I've opened my lid. Let's check the chicken. So now you will put the heat to high and let the Coca Cola just evaporate. Now the sauce is all evaporated. You can make that out. Coat it well also. This is the time I would like to put off the heat because I don't want to burn the Coca Cola. The burnt taste of Coca Cola doesn't taste all that good. So at that stage, I will put off the gas. I will put in my spring onions. Stir them again. Rice, and I put the chicken in my nice plate, and over that I will just put in and all the sauce is on top of the chicken, and that's it. We are done. Hey Zoe. And to taste the dish, Zoe sit. Sit. Good girl. We have Zoe. Zoe tasting. Oh wait. Sit Zoe. You like it Zoe? One more. Big tongue. Say it. Okay, Zoe likes the chicken. Guys, please try this chicken and let me know how it comes out. It wasn't difficult to cook, it wasn't difficult to prepare. So go ahead, make it